Hey guys, it's Maurice with Converso Energy. This is a system that I did. It's a battery backup system. As you can see, I took all the circuits out, but I still got to put some dead front covers on some of those empty circuit breaker spaces. And then I have a PV backfed breaker there on top. As you can see, this is a 200 amp service. Okay guys, and if you come in here into the garage, I'm going to show you, this is an EG4 system. This is a 12K PV with a 280 amp hour battery, which is a 14.3 kilowatt hour battery. Then here's the backup loads. So I took the circuits out of that other side of the panel, main panel, and I brought them through on top, and I created this backup panel. So if power goes out, these loads here will be powered by this inverter and this EG4 battery. So guys, if you're interested in a battery in a setup like this, just go ahead and contact me at conversoenergy.com or 505-600-1752.